Lori will be showing us some sewing machine basics, all of which can be found in the guide kept in the Create space. Ensure that both the machine and the foot pedal are plugged in and turn on the machine. Before you start to sew, you need to check on the bobbin. Open its container by pressing the black button. Lift the plate out and take out the bobbin. This bobbin needs to be threaded. Select your desired color of thread and unravel a bit of it upwards before putting it on the top of the machine. Place the round cover on top to secure it. Use the diagram on the machine to guide the thread from the spool around the metal circle. Thread it through one of the small holes in the bobbin to secure it before winding it around the bobbin counterclockwise. Do this just a few times. Pop it on and push it over until you hear a beep. Push on the foot pedal to continue winding the bobbin until you have the desired amount of thread. Remove your bobbin and cut the thread. Return the bobbin to its original case. Pull the thread out a little onto this area and slide it up. You're looking to follow this arrow's motion. Return to the spool of thread above and use the diagrams on the machine to guide it through the various grooves. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. This part is tricky. Pull the thread back and around this small hook. Now feed the thread into the eye of the needle. Slide it between the 2 feet. And turn the knob to move the needle down and up. You should be able to see a loop in your thread now. Both the threads are now coming out of the same hole and should be fed between the 2 feet to start sewing. Replace the bobbin case's cover. For a typical sewing job, line up the edge of your fabric with the 5/8 marker before pushing it under the needle. Pull down the inner lever to bring down the needle. Gently press the foot pedal to begin sewing. Use this button if you wish to reverse the stitch. Support the fabric as it goes through. Don't pull or push it, but guide it along the lines to keep your stitching straight. That's all there is to it.